Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Mahindra XUV500, stock number 6619. This ran from the 3rd 2018 to the 12th 2021. It has a W 2.2 litre 8-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2.2 litre 8-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door. Left rear door 2 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot flat tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,